Now, here's some footage during the daytime of people walking up to the front of the house. Hey there, it's Grandma Hates Tech again, and welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I have done videos on security cameras, but this one is a little different. This security camera by Panasonic, called the HomeHawk, sticks to your window with suction cups and records everything outside without giving you the glare you would normally get. I will install it and test it out. So if you want to see the latest and awesome security cameras, then watch to the end of this video and you will see this window camera in action. First of all, I don't get a lot of comments or likes in my videos, so please give this a thumbs up. And if you want to see the quality of this camera during the day and night, then give me 2 thumbs up. And please subscribe and click that bell icon. It is free and lets you get notified when I release a new video. This is the Panasonic HomeHawk window camera. It has some great features like being protected from the elements as it is mounted from the indoors, which also keeps it safe from theft. A powerful suction cup adheres the camera to virtually any interior window. You simply plug the window camera into a regular outlet and it starts recording with color night vision. It has person detection technology to avoid unnecessary motion alerts. There are no monthly fees as video is stored on a local SD card, and it saves 2 seconds of pre-recording after any alert. This HomeHawk window camera is 1080p, featuring a 150-degree wide-angle view, and is Alexa and Google Assistant compatible. I have to ask myself, do I really need this when I have a 200-pound dog? He also keeps me safe. See? Achilles, come on, boy. Come on. Achilles, come on. Yeah, see? He keeps me safe. So I really don't need this. Now I will install the HomeHawk camera to my window. First, you need to ensure your window is totally clean. I used a lint-free cloth to wipe it down. Before I install it, I will mention this is where the SD card goes. The setup and reset buttons are here. Setup, reset. And this is the suction lever here to attach it to your window. It goes up like that. Then when you open it, take it off, this, you pull it, okay? Now, set it there, put it up, now it's attached. And this is the cord that's plugged in. I will show you some basic settings. I can click on the icon to see my live view. Below, you can see your recorded list. I can filter it by person, motion, manual, or protected. Here is a video clip of me coming home and walking by the house. If I click on recording settings, you can see I have a 128 gig SD card installed, which is hardly used. I have my notification settings turned on, and under detection, I can set my detection area. You can see I have it blocking out the street and sidewalk, and I must say I don't receive any false alerts. You can make it more accurate by increasing the number of boxes to select. My sensitivity is set to normal, which is just fine. An important feature is protection. Click on this from the home screen. You can select 24/7, continuous recording, and with my SD card it will last a few days before overwriting. I have it set to protection, which you can modify. The duration I set is 45 seconds, and I have it to person only. If set to all motion, you will get a ton of notifications. Also, a note, it records 2 seconds before anything is detected. Now, here's some footage during the daytime of people walking up to the front of the house. Because I have it set to person only, I don't get any false alerts of animals or anything blowing in the wind. Just a note, because it is meant to be installed behind the window. There is no microphone, so you can't hear anything that is happening. Here are some video clips at nighttime. I don't have any outside lights on, and you can see the quality is very good. However, you could also leave some outdoor lights turned on if you wish. I like this camera because it gives you a clear, glare-free view, day or night. Person detection works really well, so you don't get the alerts from anything else passing by. What do you think of the concept of this camera? Do you think it is something you would use? I am also just looking at my YouTube channel, and I still don't have many subscribers. Would you please subscribe to my channel, as I really look forward to creating more videos for you? Don't go just yet. I have these other videos that I made just for you, so please check them out. Watching my videos and subscribing really helps me out. So please click on either of these videos which I have created just for you. I know you will like and enjoy them.